All right, good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning, March 5th. How it's already March, I do not understand, but here we are. My name's Kathleen, and I'll be doing your Monday morning weekly impact briefing. Here's a look at the weather pattern that we're expecting over the next week. We've got a couple of different frontal systems that are going to impact our weather. The first will come in Tuesday, Wednesday, so midweek or so. It will develop another nor'easter off the New England coast after it passes by our neck of the woods. We will see an increase in winds, not quite as strong as what we saw with the last system, but still you'll notice a little bit of an uptick there. And then we'll have high pressure build in, and another low pressure system and front will move through towards the weekend. That one is a little bit more uncertain, but there's a possibility we could see some precipitation type concerns on the back edge of that system, but we'll be monitoring that as time goes on to make sure that we got that covered. Look, as far as severe weather goes, we've got a small area of thunderstorms possible along the coast, but not really much of anything in central North Carolina, and nothing severe on the horizon for us for the next few days. And as far as the precipitation goes, you can see here, like I said before, we've got a couple of frontal systems coming in, and that's what you're seeing here. Tuesday, Wednesday, you can see that area of precipitation over North Carolina, and then again Saturday and Sunday, and that's where the majority of our rainfall for the next 7 days is expected to fall, is over the weekend. But again, that's something that we're going to have to monitor as time goes on to see how that evolves. Look at the Climate Prediction Center outlook. We're expecting some below normal temperatures and below normal precipitation. And so below and below is what we're expecting, although that doesn't mean we're not going to get rain, because as you just saw, we are expecting to get some. And just to highlight everything here, we do expect two frontal systems to move through the area. The first one will bring us some rain, and it will develop a nor'easter off the New England coast. And then the next one will come in over the weekend towards the end of the weekly outlook period. And there may be some precipitation type concerns as we get into Sunday night, Monday morning. So we'll be monitoring that, keeping an eye on that for you. Below normal temperatures through this week for Raleigh. The normal is in the low 60s and lows in the upper 30s. And so you can see, based on the 7-day outlook here, that we are below normal for most of that time. So cool, bit of a roller coaster as far as the weather goes, with it being dry, then wet, then dry, then wet. So just a few things here. Reminder that this week is Severe Weather Preparedness Week. You should have been seeing our daily posts about the various preparations that people should be making. There is a statewide tornado drill, which is scheduled for this Wednesday, the 7th at 9:30 a.m. So be on the lookout for that. And then if you need any more information, that link there, the website, you can follow to get more information on that. And this is just something that was mentioned by Nick last time. So Severe Weather Preparedness Week, it just highlights a little bit more information about what I just mentioned. So if anybody has any questions, I will pause here for that, and we'll see what we got. As far as the P-type concerns, we're just concerned about possibly some wintry mixed precipitation on the backside of that low as it passes through the area and off the North Carolina coast. And so we've got some wraparound moisture, and with the cold air coming in behind the low, we are concerned that that may develop into some snow, sleet, freezing rain, but it's too early to say exactly what will happen and if that moisture does indeed develop. So we're going to try to do our best at keeping you updated on that as the week goes forward. No problem. All right, if nobody else has any questions or if you think of something later on, feel free to email me. If not, everybody have a great week, and I will email this information out to you in just a few moments. Have a great day.